I get very emotional when I see my old teachers who have taught me, and I was just telling Prashant sir that I might have met all the teachers later on, but he was one person whom I could not track down, and I think so. Every Teachers' Day, he was one person whom I always remember, and Prashant sir, I think so. You have been a great source of inspiration for a lot of us, at least for me, because the way you taught made sure that I don't join F&B production. अगर खाना बनाने में इतना टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी क्रिएटिविटी लगानी है तो मुझे करनी नहीं थी. Particularly with the but the best part is, in spite of not being interested in F&B, my daughter who's sitting over here on Sundays always turns around and says, "Papa, मुझे आपके हाथ के बनाए हुए राजमा खाने हैं." So which always goes down to my F&B production sir. And I won't take too much of your time, and we should get along with this evening. But last but not the least, I would also like to thank Sadi, that is Harjinder, who is not here, who has made this, who's been gracious enough to have given this space. It would have been lovely if he would have been here, but we'll get him for this sometime later. And I was there last year for the alumni which happened at the college, and this is happening in close succession. So I'm the fortunate one to be there for both the events. I think so now on a larger scale, honestly, if few people go back to the college, we need to do something for the college, and I think so on a larger scale, we all need to get together. Gunjan, Ashutosh, Pavitra, Vikram, Tomar, all of us. We need to put our heads together and do something to resurrect that hotel. I think so we are what we are because of that college, and it's almost time that at this juncture of our life we have to give it back to the college as well. So let's start thinking on those lines over a period of time, and let's make Saptagiri rock again the way we did it at one time. Thank you. I would can I just invite Mr. Panigiri to say a few words, please, sir? Yeah.
हिंदी में सर, इंग्लिश में नहीं.
हाँ सर, हिंदी में.
हिंदी में वो फेमिनिन जेंटल चलेगा. चलेगा.
हमें भी अंग्रेजी नहीं आती. हमारे भी आती है.
दोनों नहीं आता.
सर ओडिया बोलो. किसी को समझ नहीं आएगा.
Good evening to all of you. It's a great pleasure.
हाँ सर, सासू में
Please, sir.
आवाज़ आ जाएगी.
क्लास में रोज तक तो पहुंच ही जाती थी क्लास में.
Absolutely.
जॉब भी पहुंचता था और आवाज भी पहुंचती थी.
It's a great pleasure and honor to be here after a long time. We were a part of Saptagiri from about 3 years or 4 years, whoever I was there. And that was a good time of Saptagiri. It was just booming. It was just booming. And we were a part of Saptagiri at those charismatic years. We were doing what we wanted to do, not the management. We wanted to do this thing, we were doing that thing. We are having festivals, occasions, some functions, and we decide what should be the menu, what should the way, how it should go, and we were doing everything where budget was not a constraint. I'm telling again, budget was not a constraint. We were doing everything, and besides that, that study part is always there. That time, attendance was a major problem. Attendance was a major problem, and most of you were looking to that aspect, whether attendance is proper or not.
We gifted us a suit. अपना भी सूट वाला सेट ही कर.
You had a very trouble time because these people, they were dragging you so much. These people started dragging you so much. You remember that I went to Padabinamadi hostel once.
Yes, sir.
I stayed there for a night.
Then finally you shifted there. Then finally you shifted there.
Finally, I shifted there. After 1 or 2 months, after 1 or 2 months, I shifted there. I remember one thing. That night, Ramesan was also there. I had no bed. I slept somewhere outside. I remember Nissan Patsy in the midnight. He covered my bedsheet. because it was so why do I tell all these things? Because today I believe discipline starts from home. Nissan Pasi, his father was a breaker. He had that type of lifestyle, but at the same time he had thought that this man is having the weather is cold. Let us put a bedsheet on him. That was very touching. I came to know after say 1 month or 2 months, but I wanted to tell this thing today. Okay, so during those time, we were organizing lot of festivals, functions, whatever was there. We were organizing this because there will be a dinner or there will be a lunch. Every function will be followed by a dinner or lunch. That was the main attraction. And there was competition also. There was competition in the sense who will come to the kitchen, who will be in the marketing part of it, who will be in the decoration part of it. So everybody will try to be in the kitchen. And that time I made a rule that anybody who will clear all the subjects can come to the kitchen. because there was a lot of flow. Flow was too much. So this is the way we can restrict the flow. And during that time, the comment was there, this Prasansa favorite, this man is Prasansa favorite. So all these things were going on. Still it was continuing. We remember the food festival we did. All the functions. The food festival was a grand festival. I think in any private college can afford to do that. Any private college can afford to do that. I am telling it again. It was a great festival, and I remember we worked overnight. He was there. I remember he was there. He was preparing some burger. We were working overnight, and most of you who are not there will not realize how much effort is put. And that too, when you do a small mistake, the shouting will be there. And when you do a mistake, like irresponsible mistake, then the shouting will not be tolerable also. So that was the situation. Still, people will love to work again in the kitchen. So that way we have seen Saptagiri at that time. Once I was telling to the chairman, so 93 to 96 batch was the best batch of the college. I was telling to somebody, I was telling to Ashutosh Vai today that those batch, you have to be fully prepared to take a class. Because most of them, the best of the students, like Ramakandan and all who sit in front, they depend upon the class only. They depend much on the class because they don't. Most of them don't. None of them study much. They depend on the class only. So the teacher has to be much prepared to take a class. Otherwise, it will not be interesting. 45 minutes, he cannot stand there for 45 minutes. Today, we are all sitting here. That time, the responsibility was less. Only you are all waiting for the DD to come. That was the main responsibility.
पॉकेट मनी सर, पॉकेट मनी उसमें हम ट्रैक मोड भी रहते थे सर.
उसमें
ट्रैक मोड भी रहते थे सर. कब आया, कब क्या हुआ,
कब idea हुआ. And the project should be more so that more money can be asked from home. Okay. So people in the house, at home, people will not understand. Parents will not understand. Even I think the mother will be telling her project will be done. So much money is required. But the expenses will be not even half of that.
Just 300 rupees, sir.
Just 300 rupees or 600 rupees, sir.
maximum
300 rupees. So, in that batch, the number of students were say around 90. 60% of them were all good students. So rest of the students, say 30 to 30% of the students, they have to be good. Otherwise they didn't have a place. See, most of the time functions were being held. Unless they are good, they cannot enter. They cannot enter into the scene. And in a function like a food festival, big food festival, you need at least more than 100 students. More than 100 students to make it a big success. I remember our food festival was there. Gunjan was the first to dance so that people will come to the dance floor. I was the culture secretary actually. That I don't remember. Gunjan was the first to dance so that people will come, people will see, people will realize that something is happening. That time I was not giving so much of emphasis on dancing, this, that thing. So and everybody knew that I will not give much importance because my importance is only this much and that organizing this. So all these things were happening, those are all the great dates as I told you, and exams are being held. That was a big thing, and when the result was coming, again that was also a big thing. Who all have cleared all the subjects? There will be very few. That time, students were, you all were not taking your studies seriously, as I was taking in my college. As I was taking in my college. So that is why I will tell you, today in IHM, I go as an external every year. Every year I go as an external. Not once, 5 to 6 times I will go in a year. Whenever there is an external required, they will call me. And today there is a chance, maybe within 3-4 years, I will head that college. There is a chance that I will head that college within 3-4 years. So it is like that. I was a good student. Now I have got those experience. So that type of candidates are not there. So I think it will take some 3-4 years, but a chance might come. Today, everybody has a responsibility, a family responsibility. Responsibility towards the peers, responsibility towards job, responsibility towards family, all are there. All of you would be realizing that those times are the best time in a human life. After, not the best time, after, the best time comes, best time is when a child grows up and tries to recognize his near and dear ones. That is the best time. So after that, the student life is the best time. So most of you will be thinking all those times should come back again. We all think those times should come back again, so that there is no responsibility at all. So today's, when you see the 24 hours, it passes like a few minutes. It goes on like few minutes, and years have passed. Say 15 or 16 years has passed, but we think that it is just a few months back we were in Saptagiri. Most of them look the same. Only thing that they are married and product is come. Okay.
But still, Vikram says दिल तो बच्चा है ये.
हाँ, दिल तो बच्चा सभी टाइम में होता है. Today we all are sitting. It is good that we came to know each other again. We came to know their address. It will be easier for us to inform things, to get things done. See, I was telling to Gunjan that I will come to Jaipur. I will stay in your hotel. So that gives a different pleasure. We go back to that Saptagiri to bring that pleasure within us. So that will be a good time. And I came to know that there is an alumni. They have there is an alumni association which has come up in Saptagiri, and there are presidents, secretaries, and other things. So, and our principal has told that we will make it, we will strengthen it time to time. So let us think about that also. And I will expect that this thing should continue. It should be a continuing process, and 5 or 6 months should be given to everybody so that they can plan it well in advance. Not like these people that they are outside and they are thinking they should have been there. So we all should try to be here for a day, at least. When Asutosh called me, I told yes, I'll go there. Because my wife says that whenever you have a plan to go to Delhi, you try to go to Delhi. you like to be in Delhi. Say every 3-4 months you want to be in Delhi. It's true. I want to come to Delhi for some of my work. Okay. So let this continue. Let this be a healthy practice. And with this, let all of us grow again. Thank you.
Thank you, Prashant sir. Now I request Mr. Pavitra Srigyan to hand over the moment to the chief guest, please.
Thank you, sir.
I request Ashwini Dhawan to kindly come and honor the chief guest with a shawl.
Okay.
And I request Mr. Rahul Malik to kindly come and honor the chief guest with a safa.
We might be small, but we are strong.
This is only I can. Thank you, sir.
Wonderful.
Thank you, Rahul. Thank you, sir.
नहीं सर अच्छा लग रहा है.
Now,
a special one from Yadav.
yeah, there's one more gift and from everybody, and I request Mr. Yadav
Vikram Yadav has chosen it.
to please hand over to the chief guest, please. Now I will request Ashutosh ji to kindly play a video message by Mr. Chuk. He's done a lot.
It is great that you were able to spare some time from your busy schedules to attend the first alumni reunion. Obviously, the reunion would not have been possible without your participation. And I'm sure you can all understand how important it is to meet each other. So a big thank you for making this even possible. As you can appreciate, that such a reunion allows all of us to share memorable moments from the past, discuss the today, and obviously network for the future. I'm also sure you would have all been very pleasantly surprised to see how much you have changed over the past decade. I mean, look at the people on your left, look at the people on your right. Have they changed? Well, you will have to send me an email about that. We owe a lot of credit to our alma mater. The invaluable experience that our alma mater afforded to us during our study will stay with us lifelong. It is apparent that some of us have moved away from the hospitality industry. However, the degree and the underlying learning experience has helped in developing a solid foundation for the future. It is upon that solid foundation we've all forged successful careers in various industries. The experience of meeting with all mates will be exhilarating as you share.
And I'm sure there must be more. If I missed anyone, please take this as my hello to all of you. Hope again you enjoy your evening. This is Basi and cheers. And hopefully the next ceremony I and Nitesh will try and make it so we can all share the experience together. Have a good evening, and it will be online watching you on Skype. So guys, have a good time.
Thank you, Lucy.
Who are not with us, and one of them comes and is Uday, who we lost after I think first pass out. So I just want to take this moment to say that may his peace, soul rest.
पंडे खोल दो सबके मीडिया बैठी है अभी पता चल जाएगा कौन कहा था
तेरी आएगी साथ में बात करेंगे मनीष से पता नहीं मेरा मनीष से पता नहीं कितने को देगा साथ में भाई ये तरह रहेगा कोई बात नहीं
करीब
15 साल
14-15 साल के बाद मेमोरी भी थोड़ी कम हो जाती, शादीशुदा लोग हैं, कई लोग तो अपनी कई लोग अपनी लेके नहीं आए तो जवान हो रहे। ठीक है, अब जिनके पास या तो मान ले कि है नहीं है तो फिर जवाब होने की कोशिश कर रहे हो और रिएक्ट नहीं कर पा रहे, मुझे छोड़ के हम तो कर रहे हैं ये पूरी तरीके से। 16-17 साल के बाद एक बार फिर से मिलके, फेसबुक एक अच्छा माध्यम है जिसमें हम सब लोग एक दूसरे से मिलते रहते हैं। आज भाई बस्सी, चुग, वैभव जी कहाँ दूर में बैठे हैं, सुदूर बैठे हैं, अपना नाम कमा रहे हैं, हिंदुस्तान का नाम कर रहे हैं, सप्तगिरी कॉलेज का नाम कर रहे हैं। बट आज प्रैक्टिकली हम ये देख पा रहे हैं कि हमारे आमने सामने हैं, लेकिन जो आज हम यहाँ 10, 20, 25 लोग आपके साथ मिलके जो काम कर पा रहे हैं और जो इसका आनंद है 15 साल 16 साल के बाद एक साथ मिलने का, ये वाकई इतना खूबसूरत है कि मैं अगर उसको इस तरीके से मजाक के तरीके से बयान करूँ तो शादी के पहली रात